You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, a brand name fast food restaurant chain in America. So we need to learn the American English pronunciation. If you want to learn more food names, stay tuned. Whataburger is how the Americans would say it. The British, they would say it as Whataburger. Whataburger. But in English, in America, it's headquartered in San Antonio, Texas. Whataburger. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.